Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Today I'm going to show you how to create a delay function in Unity 6.1. The most common and flexible way to do this is creating a coroutine that uses WaitForSeconds. For that we'll need a new script. So this is our tutorial so far. Let's go to scripts folder and let's create a new script. Let's call it delay test. Open it up. Let's clean the update function, which we don't need, and let's use the start. So here we will have our coroutine. We know that somewhere we'll start the coroutine here. Now the real challenge is to create the actual coroutine. So for that we use something called the enumerator. It goes something like this, and then name it something, for example, delay. Notice how I press tab and it already added using system.collections at the top, right? Open brackets, and let's do something like debug.log starting to wait, and then let's have debug.log for wait is over. Let's put some exclamation marks to make it exciting. So now how do you call this? Is very simple. You need to use the yield return, and then you put new, and then we use wait for seconds, and then inside you put how many seconds you want to wait. So this is a float variable. I'll put like 3 seconds, let's say. Don't forget that you need to actually start the coroutine. So let's do something as start coroutine, and then inside we'll add our function called delay, just as this. So let's save our script and let's see if this is working when we attach this to a game object. So I have my text script cube right here. I do have an hello world there. I can uncheck it right here, and I can grab the delay test and put it there as well. So as you can see, I have my script right here. Let me save my scene and let's open the console and press play. Okay, starting to wait, and wait is over. If you check here, you see that this is the second, so this is the time that I'm recording the video, and you can see actually the seconds here, and 3 seconds pass between 15 and 18. So we actually see that our function is actually working. If you want to give it another try, you can come to Visual Studio, put something as 5 seconds, save it, let it compile again right here. Let's press play, it will compile, and you will see waiting 38, and then we should have 43 anytime, 43, there you go. So this is a delay function and it's working very well. It's very easy to set up. As you saw, it's just some lines of code. And that's really it. We'll use this in our next tutorial, and that's why I actually made this video. So you have the basic foundation for the next one, right as things should be. So I'll see you guys in our next tutorial. Thank you a lot for watching. I'll see you there. Stay cool as always.